Hey everybody, Chris, 4 Directions Bushcraft. Today I wanted to make some pine pitch, and I wanted to fix this cup that has a hole in it from a knot. Trying to burn this cup out, and it's coming along pretty good. I don't know if you can see how deep it is, but if you notice, there is a hole in a knot fell out of it. So I wanted to patch that with pine pitch that I found, and we're gonna make some here on the fire, and stay tuned. So I got my pine here, my pine resin. It's real dirty right now. I'm gonna clean it up. I'm just gonna get the resin shavings. I found this on the ground. It actually wasn't coming off of the tree, and I didn't want to cut the tree, so I'm gonna try to use this. I'm gonna clean it up and then I'll show it to you. So I cleaned it up pretty good. I got a couple nice chunks in there. Still got a lot of dirt in it and everything, but that'll be good for it to it'll harden up with that. And I can add my charcoal to it. It's already bubbling and starting to melt. Okay, so I got it a little too hot and it caught on fire. But now I just have a mussel shell heating up, and I'm gonna melt it inside that mussel shell so it'll stay contained in there. Okay everybody, so my pine pitch, or my pine resin, is pretty much ready. Caught on fire once, so I had to scoot it back. My bowl that I'm fixing has a lot of charcoal in it from me burning it out, so I'm just gonna place my resin right in it and try to put it in that hole. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is just carefully, still really hot, scoop it out of here. And just place it right in my cup. It smells really good, really, really good. Love the smell of pine, like that. So I kind of want to work with this a little fast. I'm just gonna put some charcoal in there. Now there's a difference between charcoal and ash. I don't just want to put the ash in there. It's still got to be pieces of charcoal. Just mix it up. Break up all that charcoal. Smash it along the sides of it. See how sticky it is? It's just sticking right to everything in there. That charcoal will make it harden up. So I'm just scraping the side of my cup too, because it's got charcoal in it. Can't even tell really. Now I'm going to remove that stick a little by little. I'm still going to leave it in there because I don't want it falling through, and I'm just going to pack that hole with it. Now I'm going to lose some, but look at that, it's already getting tight in there. This should work out perfect. Probably can't see exactly what I'm doing. It's getting rock hard in there already. I am losing some out of the side. See? So I'll just push that up from the other side now. It's still warm, but I can at least get in there and ball it up with my fingers. Still a little warm. But I can still form it. Now I'm just pressing from both sides. Almost looks like gunpowder now. Now what I'll do is I'll finish packing this, and it's hard as a rock already. I mean, it is hard as a rock in there. I'll finish packing this up, and then I'll reheat it to form it in that hole, and then when it dries, or when it cools down for the second time, it'll actually seal that hole and form to that hole a little better. So see, I just got a bunch of small pebbles. I'm gonna throw them in there, and then I'm gonna sand. I'm gonna find a stone or a stick, and I'm gonna try to sand it down in there. Alright, got the hole patched up, got it sanded out. Now put some water in it, wash it out, and then we'll see how it acts as a cup. Looks like it holds water really good. Just gonna wash it out. Looks like it is coming out a little bitty bit. Maybe right out of the bottom of that. Maybe right out of the bottom, the very, very bottom of it. But overall, it works pretty good. I might, in fact, I might go down a little farther with it sometime, sand it out a little better. But overall, the pine pitch worked good to seal the hole. Might add just a little bit to it, but I'm happy with it. Anyway, this is Chris with 4 Directions Bushcraft, and thanks for joining me today. Thanks for your views, comments, and always your support, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good day out there.